Today, we live in a world where data is all around us and accessible from the web at the tip of our fingers. But sometimes this data is too large or isn't in a consumable format. For that reason, our team decided to build a tool to help answer people's questions about the world and its countries by making a heat map search engine. Our app's goal is to help people better understand the world we live in and to get a better understanding of the different countries that make up this world through answering diverse questions anyone has ready for our app. Our application does this by taking in any question a user has about the world's population, and we express it through a heat map visualization. For example, let's say we want to visualize the number of Michelin star restaurants per country. We can do that. We simply need to ask our application this question, and it will produce a heat map demonstrating our answer. Since our team is new at answering questions, we may not be the most reliable at it. For that reason, if we're unable to get you the answer to your question, we may suggest a few alternatives that may be able to get you some insight at least on what you were wondering. Another feature our application has is that it has a legend that allows users to determine what exactly they'd like to see about their question if there's more than just one piece of information we find. For example, while searching a question about the pandemic, the user will have plenty of information about deaths, cases, and other options, and we give the user the chance to choose which one they want to see, and they can toggle it and see the map reflect these changes in real time. Our map has a few interactive features that make the data fun to play with. Firstly, you're able to click onto any country in order to zoom into it and click away from it to zoom out. Secondly, hovering over any country will provide you with a cool tooltip that gives you more precise data about the question you asked. Our final front-end feature is that our map allows for users to switch between different map projections. We currently support flat map and a spinning 3D globe of the Earth to show the cases for the data. We can toggle between these two cases and see the difference between them in real time as well. The most crucial portion of our application is how to build a natural language interface to reduce the complexity of data querying for our end user. We want the user to come and interact with the search bar the same way they come up with a question. To achieve this answer all functionality, we need to figure out how to find a web source for a given question, then proceed to parse this source and structure the data to be consumed by the data visualization consumer. There are multiple technical challenges while building our solution. The algorithm must be able to dynamically parse different kinds of web pages, must be able to understand their different structures, and must be able to extract the data required. In the end, we were able to overcome a few of our challenges, but some we still got stuck on and weren't able to move forward with, but we plan on continuing after this hackathon is over. So finally, we're going to end on talking about what we used to build our application. Our front end was using Next.js to run the HTML, and we're leveraging d3.js for the custom visualizations. For the backend, the core is written in Python, leveraging Flask framework to create a responsive API. The backend portion also uses, to fetch the data and structure it, Pandas, Beautiful Soup, and DBpedia. Thank you for listening to our project, and we hope you enjoyed it.